Have you ever gazed up at the night sky, a sea of stars stretching out before you, and wondered what it all means? What is the most valuable thing in this vast and mysterious cosmos? Is it something tangible, or is it something far more elusive? We often chase after wealth, power, even fame, believing them to hold the keys to happiness and fulfillment. But what if true treasure lies elsewhere, in the very fabric of existence itself? What if the most precious things are not things at all, but rather concepts, experiences, the very essence of what it means to be alive? Join me now on a journey of cosmic proportions as we explore the most precious elements of the multiverse. Prepare to have your perspective shifted and your mind expanded as we delve into the heart of what truly matters. In the grand cosmic theater, life takes center stage. It is a phenomenon so improbable, so delicately balanced that its very existence borders on the miraculous. From the simplest single-celled organism to the complexity of the human brain, life is a symphony of intricate processes, a dance of molecules orchestrated over billions of years. Consciousness, that remarkable ability to experience the universe subjectively, adds another layer of wonder to the equation. It is through consciousness that the universe becomes self-aware, capable of marveling at its own creation. Consider the vastness of space, the countless stars that dot the cosmos. And yet, on at least one tiny planet, life has taken hold, has flourished, has evolved to contemplate its own place in the grand scheme of things. To understand the preciousness of life, we need only look at the fragility of our own planet, the delicate balance that sustains us. The Earth, our pale blue dot, hangs suspended in the void, a haven for life in the vast cosmic desert. For in the grand scheme of things, we are all children of the stars, united by the common thread of life that binds us together. Love. A word so simple, yet a concept so profound, so deeply ingrained in the human experience that it seems to transcend definition. It is the driving force behind countless works of art, literature, and music, the inspiration for acts both great and small. From the unconditional love of a parent for a child to the passionate connection between lovers, love has the power to move mountains, to heal wounds, to inspire hope where once there was only despair. It binds us together, forming the very foundation of families, communities, and civilizations. But love is not limited to the human experience. We see it reflected in the animal kingdom, in the fierce loyalty of a dog to its owner, the protective instincts of a mother bear for her cubs. It is a force that transcends species, language, even time itself. To experience love is to touch the face of the divine, to glimpse the interconnectedness of all things. We humans are a curious species, driven by an insatiable thirst for knowledge, a desire to understand the world around us and our place within it. This innate curiosity has been the driving force behind countless scientific discoveries, technological advancements, and artistic masterpieces. From the earliest cave paintings to the latest breakthroughs in quantum physics, our quest for knowledge knows no bounds. It is a journey that has taken us from the depths of the ocean to the surface of the moon and beyond, always pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we thought possible. Knowledge is power, yes, but it is also so much more than that. It is the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe, to solving the challenges facing humanity, to creating a better future for generations to come. Through knowledge, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things, from the smallest subatomic particle to the largest galaxy. But the pursuit of knowledge is not without its challenges. For every answer we uncover, a dozen new questions arise, urging us ever onward, deeper into the mysteries of existence. So let us never cease to question, to explore, to discover. In a universe governed by physical laws, the concept of free will stands out as an intriguing anomaly. Do we truly have control over our destinies, or are we merely pawns in a cosmic game? It is a question that has plagued philosophers and theologians for centuries. Regardless, the ability to make choices lies at the heart of what it means to be human. Every decision sends ripples into the universe, shaping lives around us. With great freedom comes great responsibility. The choices we make define us and determine our legacy. Do we act with kindness or let fear guide us? Do we strive to make the world better or focus on self-interest? The power to choose our paths is our greatest gift. So let us choose wisely, my friends. The universe, for all its apparent chaos, is a place of remarkable balance. From the intricate dance of celestial bodies to the delicate ecosystems that thrive on our own planet, we see evidence of this delicate equilibrium everywhere we look. Consider the forces at play within a single atom, the interplay of positive and negative charges that hold it all together, or contemplate the vast cosmic web of galaxies, clusters, and superclusters, all held in place by the invisible hand of gravity. Balance is not simply a matter of physical forces, however. It is also essential to our own well-being, to the health of our communities, and to the long-term survival of our species. Just as a tightrope walker must constantly adjust their position to maintain their balance, so too must we strive to find equilibrium in our own lives, balancing our personal needs with the needs of others, our desire for progress with the preservation of our planet. In a world often defined by extremes, by polarization and division, the need for balance has never been greater. We must learn to embrace nuance, to see the world in shades of gray rather than black and white. For it is in finding balance that we unlock the true potential of the universe and secure a brighter future for generations to come. Consider for a moment the boundless realms of imagination. It is a place where the impossible becomes possible, where the only limits are those we impose upon ourselves. Imagination is the birthplace of our dreams, the wellspring of our creativity, the driving force behind every great work of art, every scientific breakthrough, every act of human ingenuity. It is through imagination that we transcend the mundane, that we envision new possibilities, that we shape the world around us in accordance with our desires. From the earliest cave paintings to the latest blockbuster films, humans have always been driven by a desire to create, to explore, to bring forth from the realm of the mind that which has never been seen before. Imagination is not merely a form of escapism, however. It is an essential tool for problem solving, for innovation, for social change. It allows us to empathize with others, to see the world from different perspectives, to imagine a future free from the limitations of the present. Every great invention, every social movement, every work of art began as a spark of imagination in the mind of its creator. So let us never lose our sense of wonder, our capacity for childlike awe. Time, that relentless river, carries us all along its current, from the first breath of life to the final farewell. It is a precious and finite resource, one that we often take for granted until it begins to slip through our fingers like grains of sand. We measure time in seconds, minutes, hours, but what is time truly? Is it merely an illusion, a human construct imposed upon the steady march of entropy? Or is it something more profound, something woven into the very fabric of the cosmos? Regardless of its true nature, one thing is certain: time is the most precious commodity we possess. It is the currency with which we purchase experiences, build relationships, and leave our mark upon the world. Once spent, it can never be regained. Every moment that passes is an opportunity lost and an opportunity gained. It is a chance to learn, to grow, to love, to make a difference. Yet how often do we squander these precious moments, lost in distraction, consumed by regret, or paralyzed by fear? Time waits for no one. It marches onward, indifferent to our hopes and dreams, our triumphs and failures. Let us live in such a way that when our time comes to an end, we can look back on our lives with gratitude and say, yes, I have truly lived. We've journeyed from the spark of life to the boundless realms of imagination, exploring the most precious elements of the multiverse. But which of these treasures shines brightest? Is it the miracle of consciousness, the unwavering power of love, the insatiable thirst for knowledge, the weight of our choices, the delicate balance of existence, the boundless realms of imagination, or the precious and fleeting nature of time. The truth is, these elements are not separate entities, but rather interconnected threads woven into the very fabric of existence. They inform and enrich one another, creating a tapestry of extraordinary complexity and beauty. To value one is to appreciate them all, for they are inseparable facets of the grand cosmic design. So, I leave you with this. What do you consider the most precious thing in the multiverse? What gifts will you cherish? What opportunities will you seize? And what legacy will you leave behind in the precious time you have been given? The answers, my friends, lie within you. Go forth and discover them.